Recently I gave you guys a tour of my favorite dealership, Project One Auto. I mentioned that Project One Auto was one of 2 dealerships that I actually recommend. One of my subscribers, Sheryar Edisham, wanted to know who the other dealership was. So today I take you there. Sports and Specialist Cars, located in Hopewell, New Jersey. They're highly recommended by Lotus enthusiasts all around. And Ed Sanson there is an absolute class act. Let's take a quick tour.
I'm going to show you how a clutch works.
Marucho Lamborghini was born in the
Lamborghini.
Huracan.
If you love cars the way I love cars, then you're probably going to want to click on that subscribe button.